Justin was a stay-at-home dad. That means he takes care of the kid and deals with the housework. His wife is the one who goes out and works. A couple years ago, Justin worked as a teacher. He loved his job. Then his wife, Terry, got pregnant. At first, the couple both wanted to work and get a babysitter. Eventually, Justin thought it was best if he stayed at home and took care of their kid. He wasn't getting that much money as a teacher. Also, he wanted to have control over how his kid was going to be raised. Justin liked being a stay-at-home dad. He loved seeing his kid learn things from him. He wanted to make sure his kid grew up right. Justin made sure to read to his son, take him to open areas, and give him healthy food. The biggest problem with being a stay-at-home dad was the comments he got from his guy friends. They made fun of him for doing housework. At first, the comments bothered him, but they're not a big deal anymore. Justin does miss teaching, though. He is waiting for the day he can teach at school again. He is planning to go back to the job after his kid turns 13 or so. He thinks that is a good time for his son to do his own thing.